This is a container-type concrete mixing plant. The advantages as follows. 1. Container design, modular design according to functions. Easy to disassemble and transport. 2. Distributed bus control. All electric control systems and wiring are completed in the factory. And only one cable connection is required during installation, which greatly reduces installation time and cost, and can be used quickly. 3. Batching machine module, automatic cleaning, adjusting, and longer service life. Weighing module, accurate weighing and anti-corrosion. Automatic error correction. 4. Hopper hoisting module. Multiple designs ensure the normal operation of the upper hopper without failure, and the wire rope is broken to prevent falling. High efficiency, low energy consumption, and no pollution. The hoisting motor works intermittently with lower energy consumption. Fully isolated when feeding, equipped with a dust filler. Environmentally friendly and pollution-free. 5. Mixing module. High-quality reducer and hydraulic greasing pump. The liner and mixing arm are made of high chromium cast iron. All of these makes the mixer longer life. And the pressurized water spray makes the mixing more uniform. 6. Control system. High integration. Easy installation and commissioning. Low failure. Fully automatic and manual switching. Schneider Electric components. 7. All the above modules can be customized as required.